Hello, I'm Kashish from Diligence Certification. Are you an Indian exporter dealing with chemicals or hazardous materials? Then you need to know about the MSDS certificate. In this video, I will tell you why it is necessary, how to obtain it. What is an MSDS certificate? An MSDS Material Safety Data Sheet is a comprehensive document that provides related information about the properties, hazards, handling, storage, and emergency measures related to chemicals. It is a crucial tool for ensuring safety in workplace and during transportation. Why is it important? Obtaining an MSDS certificate offers several key benefits. Regulatory compliance, ensure adherence to safety standards and regulations, safe handling and storage, provide guidelines to prevent accident and health hazards. Emergency preparedness, outlines first aid measures and firefighting procedures, facilitate international trade, required by custom and regulatory authorities in many countries. How to obtain the MSDS certificate? Here is step-by-step guide to obtain your MSDS certificate. Step 1. Submit product details. Provide information about the chemical composition, usage, and potential hazards. Step 2. MSDS preparation. Experts prepare a detailed MSDS document tailored to your product. Step 3. Review and approval. The MSDS is reviewed for compliance and accuracy. Step 4. Issuance of certificate. Upon approval, the MSDS certificate is issued. Common challenges. Some common challenges include incomplete documentation. Ensure all the required details are accurately provided. Non-compliance with the standards. Stay updated with the latest safety regulations. Delays in approval. Submit application well in advance to account for processing times. At Diligence Certification, we provide end-to-end support for MSDS certification, from documentation to final approval. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.